Today we will show how to buy shares of Chain Bridge Bancorp Inc. step by step. Chain Bridge Bancorp Inc. is a regional bank listed on NASDAQ with the ticker CBNA, and this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To complete a purchase, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CBNA to find Chain Bridge Bancorp Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to make sure you have located the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see a short company profile and a price chart showing recent movements. Verify the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to confirm this is the correct asset. To buy, click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute in the next session. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the order fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio. The link is in the description if you want to explore the example eToro platform.